Welcome back to the Legal Brief, the show where we crush the various legal myths and misinformation surrounding various areas of the gun world. I'm your host, Adam Kraut, and today we're headed back up to New York to hear the latest in lunacy. SB Tactical, the originator of the pistol stabilizing brace, set the bar for innovation and product development in the PDW pistol category. From the insanely popular SB-M4 to the adjustable SB-A3 and even kits for pump-action firearms, SB Tactical braces are available for a wide variety of firearm platforms in fixed, adjustable, and side-folding models. To get 15% off your legally transported and carried pistol braces, use the code TGC15 over at sb-tactical.com. It seems that Senator Parker, who proposed giving up your search history for your gun rights, wasn't satisfied with stopping there. In his latest quest to burden gun owners, Senator Parker has proposed a new bill which would require that gun owners carry $1 million in liability insurance.
$1 million.
The bill would amend the insurance law to require firearm owners, before owning a gun, to obtain and continuously maintain a policy of liability insurance to cover any damages resulting from the use of their firearm. The policy would be required to cover any negligent or willful acts involving the use of a firearm while it is owned by that person. Failure to maintain the proposed amount of insurance would result in immediate revocation of the gun owner's registration, license, and any other privilege to own such firearm. Funny, here I was thinking it was a right to own a firearm. Now, while New York State Constitution does not recognize the right to keep and bear arms, Article 2, Section 4 of their civil rights law provides a well-regulated militia while being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms cannot be infringed. The bill would also recognize that a person was the owner of a firearm if it were lost or stolen until they reported that it was lost or stolen. Now, of course, there's always exceptions, especially for those in law enforcement, and this bill continues that trend. The bill's justification for this is that the insurance policy will serve as an incentive for firearm owners to implement safety measures in order to conduct the activity as safely as possible and only when necessary. It also states that by having this insurance policy in place, innocent victims of gun-related accidents and violence will be compensated for the medical care for their injuries. Unfortunately, Senator Parker ignores a number of issues that this bill presents. Putting aside the right to bear arms for a moment, where's someone going to find liability insurance for $1 million, especially in relation to guns? How much is that going to cost them per year? And isn't this going to create a barrier to lower income individuals from owning firearms at all? Fortunately, while this bill has been introduced the past 3 sessions, it's never made it anywhere. But if history is any past indicator, and it usually is, you can expect this one to be reintroduced this year. So, what do you guys think about gun owners having to carry an insurance policy? Is that a reasonable solution, or is it just complete nonsense? Post your thoughts down in the comments below. That's it for this episode. If you learned anything from the show, help us out and hit that like button. Make sure you share it around with your friends. Don't forget to get subscribed, and if you enjoyed the video, consider supporting us via the links down in the video description. Be sure to check out the Gun Collective podcast on iTunes, and as always, thanks for watching. It also states that by having this insurance policy in place, yeah, I slurred there. It was like I was drunk. It's like I was drunk. It's the middle of the day, but I'm not. Why is that still on?
The shirts worn in today's video on the Gun Collective have been provided by Patriot Patch. Closed captions have also been brought to you by Patriot Patch Company. Be sure to click the link in the video description to check out all of their great products, including their cleaning mats.